Hey guys, how are you? Today's video is going to be about homographs. Now, homographs is when two or more words spelled the same but not necessarily pronounced the same and having different meanings and origin. Okay, so when there's a word, okay, for example, there's bat. As a bat, that's an animal, and as a bat, that's the thing that you shoot like a ball with it. So it's like a word, okay, maybe pronounced the same, maybe not, but having not different meanings, definitely different. Another example here, okay, there is tear and there is tear, okay, or you can say tear, I think, as in the water that comes from your eyes as you cry, and as tear as you're like tearing up the paper because you're breaking the paper, okay. Then we have some exercise. We have a multiple choice. We're gonna circle. I'm gonna give you a bit of time. You pause the video and then you solve them on a piece of paper, on whatever. Okay. But please solve them with me, or you can comment down below or something. I don't know, but we're gonna circle them together. We're gonna solve the first one together, and then you're gonna solve the others by yourself. There was a cat to my right. Now you have to know right, if right as you can see here, okay, is the opposite of left or right that means correct. What do you conclude? Huh? What do you conclude? And right. There was a cat to my right. How does this mean? Is it right that means correct? Does this even make sense? No. So the answer is A, opposite of left. Okay, now you are going to solve and then we'll solve it together when you solve it by yourself. Now you have the date was 2018 when I brought my first puppy. Now date, okay? Is it the date like the food or the date like year and time? What do you think? Is it I'm eating a date 2018 when I brought, does this make even sense? I don't know, you solve them. Okay, is it that or that? Pause the video and solve it and I'll tell you an answer. I assumed you solved it and the answer is the date like the year and time. Okay? Now we have the third one. In fall, the colors of the leaves turn orange and yellow. Is fall like fall the season or like the action of falling when you fall? What do you think in the sentence? Pause the video and solve it. Okay, so obviously the answer is A, fall, the season, like summer, winter, and more. Now we have the last one. My friend was using a saw to cut wood. Saw. He was using the saw to cut wood. Saw as the tool or as seeing, what do you think? It's definitely not as seeing um, because you're using it. It's a tool. It's not like an action you're doing. To cut wood, can you just by seeing wood, can you cut it? So no. So the answer is so as the tool. Now that was the last one. I think it's pretty easy and understandable. If you have any questions, please comment down below and like the video if you did enjoy and understand, and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day.